Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the tailgate, locking, seats, front bucket, seat adjuster, driver 6-way power, seat adjuster, front passenger 6-way power, air conditioning, dual-zone automatic climate control, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed flex fuel with active fuel management, emissions override, federal, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Wheels, 417 inches x 7.5, 43.2 centimeters x 19.1 centimeters, aluminum, 5-spoke, All-Star Edition, tailgate, S-lift, fog lamps, front, halogen, steering wheel controls, mounted audio controls, Bluetooth for phone, trailering package, heavy-duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy-duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.